Hey everyone, welcome back to Workshop Studios. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are diving into something I've been really excited to test out, the DEWALT DXV12P-QT Pro Series 12 gallon wet/dry vacuum. You know how it goes in the shop. Sometimes you just need a vacuum that gets the job done without feeling like you're standing next to a jet engine. DEWALT claims this model is 50% quieter than the standard DXV12P, all while keeping that heavy-duty suction power we need for wet and dry messes. I'm really curious to see if that actually holds up in a real-world setting. Before we get to the quiet test, let's see what we're working with. They've packed in a pretty solid set of accessories: the hose, wands, filter, nozzles, and brushes. And finally, a dust collection bag to help keep things tidy. So we will assemble everything step by step, and really put that noise claim to the test. I want to see if this is truly the workshop upgrade it promises to be. Let's get into it. Alright, time to get this thing rolling. Next up, we're going to install the wheels. You can see we've got the vacuum flipped over, and those caster slots are all lined up and ready to go. With the wheels on, we're now installing the dust collection bag. This simple step is going to make cleaning up our workshop projects so much easier. We're wrapping up the setup by attaching the accessory storage bag. It's the perfect spot to keep all those nozzles and brushes handy, so they don't go missing around the shop. I decided to swap out the original hose for the DEWALT DXV12P-QT. It's a 7-foot, 2.5-inch diameter premium hose. And honestly, it's a total game changer. It's built for heavy-duty cleanup with an ultra-durable crush-resistant design. Plus, it has this handy locking tab that keeps it locked securely onto the vacuum, so you don't have to worry about it popping off while you're working. hope this information was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. I'll see you all down in the comments.